Hello everyone, my name is Aswat Aulia and today I will show you how to citation accredited Cinta journal using Mendeley in Microsoft Word. Please pay attention to each step careful. Let's get started. Before we start, I will explain the difference between several types of journal. And one Cinta accredited journal. A Cinta journal is a national journal in Indonesia that has been accredited by government through the Cinta system. Its quality is divided from Cinta 1 to Cinta 6. Two ordinary international journal. An international in published, international and usually accepted English. However, is not always indexed in database like Scopus. 3. Reputable international journal. A reputable international journal is indexed in trusted database such as Scopus or Web of Science. It has higher quality, stronger credibility, and international recognition. 4. This is the journal file that I will ask today. The journal is already downloaded and saved on my laptop. Here is the PDF file of the journal. Before we start citing, here is the title and the content of the journal that I have copied earlier into Microsoft Word. Now we are going to add the journal in the Mendeley first. First, open Mendeley and file, add file, and then back to Microsoft Word, reference, insert citation, go to Mendeley, this one, and cite. Okay, done. Now I will continue with step 2, which is citation an ordinary international journal using Mendeley in Microsoft Word. International journal. An international journal is published in English and can be read by my countries. However, is not always indexed in Scopus or Web of Science. First, this is the journal file that I will ask today. The file is already saved on my laptop. Here is the title and the content of the journal that I copy earlier into Microsoft Word. Now let's add the journal into Mendeley. And open Mendeley, file, add file. This one. No. This and this one. Okay, back to Word and reference, insert citation, go to Mendeley, this one, and cite. Okay, ready in the Word. And step 3, which is the citation a reputable international journal using Mendeley in Microsoft Word. Reputable international journal. International journal is a journal indexed is a scope or web of science. It has high quality and strong credibility. First, This is a reputable international journal file that I will use today. The file is already downloaded and saved on my laptop. Here is the title and the content of the journal that I copied earlier into Microsoft Word. Now let's edit the journal into a Mendeley. And open Mendeley, File, Add File, and kita cari keyword journal reputation, this one. Okay, go to Microsoft Word and reference, insert citation, go to Mendeley, and this one, and citation. Okay, already in Microsoft Word. Okay, I will continue with step 4, which is citation conference proceeding resume in Mendeley Microsoft Word. Conference proceeding is a collection of papers present at a seminar or conference, usually a contents reference from presenter or research. First, this is the conference proceeding file that I will use today. The file is already saved on my laptop. Here is the title and the content that I copied earlier into Microsoft Word. Now let's add the file into Mendeley. And open Mendeley, File, Add File, this proceeding, and go to Microsoft Word, reference, insert citation, go to Mendeley, and this one, citation. Already Microsoft Word citation. Okay, I will show you two citation a YouTube video using a Mendeley. First, search for the YouTube content or video that you to citation. Copy the video link first. Next, open Mendeley. Add file. Hit enter manually. This is my film. URL. So this is the judul. Copy and open Mendeley, file, hit enter manually. This is film. Judul and this is URL and this year now and save. Back to Word, reference, insert citation, go to Mendeley, thesis and citation. Done. Okay, next step 6, which is a citation a thesis using a Mendeley in Microsoft Word. Thesis is a significant paper written by a student as a requirement for graduation. Usually, it contains requests and analysis on a specific topic. This is the thesis file that I will as today. The file is ready download and saved on my laptop. Here is the title and the content of the thesis, and that I copy already into Microsoft Word Knowledge and the thesis into Mendeley. Open Mendeley, File, Add File, Thesis, this is, and back to Word, reference, insert citation, go to Mendeley, this is, and citation. Alright, ready in citation or the thesis. Okay, I will show you how to citation a webpack using a Mendeley. First, share for the webpack that you want to ask. Here is the quotes or information that already copy from the sheet. Okay, I will show you how to citation a webpack using a Mendeley. First, search for the webpack that you want to ask. Here is the quotes or information that already copy from the webpack in the Microsoft Word. Now let's add the short into Mendeley and open Mendeley. Click File and enter manually. This is webpack. And I what year now, and this one copy, URL, this one, and save. Back to Word, reference, insert citation, go to Mendeley, And this one, pendidikan kewarganegaraan and citation. Okay, done. Okay, I will show you how to citation a book using a Mendeley. First, in the ebook that you want to ask, here is the quotes or text that I already copied from the ebook into Microsoft Word. Now let's end the search into Mendeley and open Mendeley. Click File and enter manually book pengantar manajemen and Priyono and this back to work, insert citation, go to Mendeley, this citation, done. Okay, I will show you how to citation ground theory, middle theory, and applied theory based on my research methodology title. Here's my research title, and this is a band combination 3 material into one file. First, I already copied all the theory into Microsoft Word, so now we only need to make the citation. Open Mendeley, File, Add File, this, grand theory, back to Word. This is end-grand theory, middle theory, and the last theory, applied theory, has been of one file. This is reference in citation. Go to Mendeley. This is an citation. Same insert citation. Go to Mendeley, grand theory, and citation. And the last theory, the same too. Insert citation. Go to Mendeley, grand theory, and yes, done.